Now let us see their reactions with water. They all react with water vigorously and forms the corresponding hydroxides and releases hydrogen gas. Due to the release of this hydrogen gas, they easily catches fire, and that is why the moment we place any one of these in water, we see that they catches fire. The reaction is like this, that sodium combines with water and forms corresponding hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and releases hydrogen gas. We can write a general reaction with the M, where M can be any one of these alkalis, with water, which combines to form metal hydroxide and releases hydrogen gas. Now, another important thing about this is that the moment they are added to water, they make the medium basic due to the formation of these hydroxides. Now, in order to prevent its exposure to water and also from the air to the air, we store them we call it kerosene, or it can be any one of the paraffins we are having, the least reactive hydrocarbons, and this is how they are actually being also transferred from one place to the other.